Hi everybody, welcome back to Holt's Custom Countertops. I'm Timothy Holt. This is the most recent casting that I've done. It's a pretty large casting. It's 18 inches square, pretty heavy. Came out of the mold really nicely. I'm working on some video footage of that. I'm using Stone Coat Countertops Super Cast resin on here, and overall I'm pretty happy with it. I'm surprised at how heavy it is, and I'm going to show you the backside that didn't quite work out as planned as well. But this is some dark maple I got from Pat McGinnis, gentleman I know. He has quite a bit of nice rough lumber for available. And then I have a bunch of seashells in here, and the base or the floor is different colored sand and pebbles. I really like how it turned out so far. I do need to sand it, do some shaping on it. Not real thrilled about some of my caulking. I'm not sure what happened, but if you can see it in the video here, you can really see it on, what side is it? This side right here. It must have started peeling off during mid-pour, and it's embedded into the resin. I'm going to try to sand that off and see what I can work out there. This is not the finished surface. I'm going to be coating it with countertop resin, a heat-resistant resin, and scratch-resistant resin. This is still very scratchable. So now for the back side. Well, bottom, I should say. This is the bottom. The intent was for this piece to be able to come off and the top sit down on a end table base. That's the overall goal or plan. However, I can't seem to get it out. So I don't know if it's secured, how it's secured. So I'm just going to work with it and modify my end table plans to incorporate this board here. You're not going to see it anyway once it's fully built, so I think it should look pretty good. However, if you're wondering how clear this stuff sets up, put it down here. Check this out. This is another casting that I'm doing for a friend of mine. It is a Hot Wheels car encased in resin. It's going to go on a light base for a lamp. And as you can see amazing detail. It is super clear, and this isn't even the clear coat that's going on top of it to give it a nice high gloss. So super nice. And check this out. Look at the detail you can see. You can see all of the glisten and glint that was added. You can see every detail in the seashells. It looks like I'm getting a lot of reflection from the light on my camera here. And you can see all the wood grain and the hard maple discs. These discs I cut from a rough log. That is how it grew. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's a pretty thick top. It's going to get sanded down. So we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And well, if you're interested in anything like this, let me know. Hit me up on social media or in person, and I can build pretty much any type of thing you want for the most part out of this resin. It's super good stuff. So let me know. And well, this is Timothy Holt with Holt's Custom Countertops and Custom Creations.